Hi everyone, it's Colin here from Spartech Paintless Dent Repair. I just wanted to show you what I have in store for today. It is a pretty big project. It's the roof of this Tucson here. So let me flip you around, we'll take a look. Okay, take a look at it from the ground here, and it really doesn't look like anything. It looks fine. But get up top here and take a look. It is totally annihilated. I don't know what happened. Somebody's up there dancing around. But this is a monster project. There is not much straight on this roof. This is going to be a man maker. Alright, so you saw the challenge that I have. We're going to use Paintless Dent Repair. I'm going to bring this in, drop the headliner, take the roof racks off and the hatch off, and we're going to go in and straighten this roof with Paintless Dent Repair. Otherwise, there's no option but to cut this roof out and replace it. So it's probably going to take me a couple days, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it goes alright. Okay, here is another look at the amount of damage that is on this roof. This is from inside underneath the lights. You get a pretty good idea how messed up this roof really is, and the challenge that's in front of you. Okay guys, here's a little progress report. We've been working away, and you can see that we are getting the shape back. Everything is coming up pretty good. I still have some touch-ups to do on this side, but just kind of gives you an idea. Now underneath, you can see there's one brace there that's come off where the biggest dent was. We can get that back up and re-glue it. And the brace at the back, there's a little bit of glue separation. It's not bent at all. We're going to re-glue that, but the big one at the front, the structural one at the front, is fine. So that's good news. And basically, mostly what I'm using, this big Carbon Tech rod, but I'm pushing the big stuff out with this leather, and then an R4 rubber tip. So there's no metal on there. We're not scratching the heck out of it, so it's going really well so far. But I still have a ton of work left to do. So let's get back at it. Okay, we are getting down to the nitty-gritty. It is looking like a roof again. Whoa. Alright everybody, the job is finally done. It took me about 3 days, off and on 3 days. I got called out on a couple of jobs, but it's done. And I'll turn you around here in a second so you can see what it looks like outside. But this job was pretty overwhelming at the start. It's a pretty extreme job, but it gives you an idea of what can be fixed with Paintless Dent Repair. Keep in mind that there's absolutely no body fill, there's no painting done to this vehicle. It has been virtually restored back to its original condition. So we saved a whole lot of mess and time and money for this customer. Anyway, I'll turn you around and take a look. Alright, let's take a look at this outside. And you can see it looks fantastic. Looks just like it's supposed to. If you've got a door ding or a dent or a crease or even a big dent in your car and the paint's not damaged, and you think that Paintless Dent Repair would be a viable option, give me a call. 705-446-8056, or you can find me at SparPdr.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.